Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Hi. Today, let's talk about another problem which involves in 4 steps. First, we need to talk about something. So, since factorial is n, we just start from 5. So the only time that this involves 5, like we are going to ask, for example, in this problem, we ask if this problem is this divided by 125? Okay, you definitely know from calculation that it's not. Let's talk about 10 factorial actually. From calculation, that is definitely not. But if we do like this, 5 and 10, we find this and we find this, which is 5 times 2. There's only 2 numbers which include 5. So which means this is not divisible by 125. So we can use this terminology to determine the 4 problems. First, what is the largest in positive m? For 2 to the power of m is a divisor of 9 squared. So we are going to find how many, m, 2, it includes 1, 2, this includes 2, 2. 6 this includes 1, 2. This includes 3, 2. So 1, 3, 4, 7. The m is 7. When m is 7, they are able to divide, to be the divisor of 9 factorial. Second, what is the smallest value of n, which that n squared is divisible by 7 to the power of 40? So we are able to get 7 from here, which is 7. And we are able to get another 7 from 14. So therefore, 14 is the smallest number that divides by 7 squared. Third problem. Explain why there's no positive integer n. For n squared is n factorial is divided by this, but not divided by this. Let's think in this way. Yes. There evolves in 49. You see. So there is 6 while there is 2. So there needs to be 8, 7. There includes 8, 7. So this means that this can only apply to only one of 7, this or this. So which means that this cannot be divisible by both. You see, because 49 is equals to 7 squared. So whereas the 7 to the power of 7 and 7 to the power of 8 cannot be divisible by together. Last problem. N squared is equals to 2 to the power of A times 3 to the power of B times 5 to the power of C times 7 to the power of D. So we find that 23. You know that the number, why there's only several prime numbers, because the rest of factorial numbers can all be divided into factorial looking like this. However, if there is a 29, you see 29? 29 is a prime number. It cannot be divided in any of those. So which means if n is larger than 29, there must be a divisor of 29, which means that this is going to be wrong. So which means that n must be in the element of 23 and 29. Sorry, 28. Because 29 is also not okay. Now we are going to determine which number is this. If you don't want to wish to think about problem, you can just guess a random answer, and if you are right, you can still get around 1 to 2 marks. However, we need to get this, so we are able to get 4 marks. So how do I do that? Let's start trying. Let's start trying 28 first. 28, 2, 2 thirds, 2. So those are let's list them. Let's use the most modern way. This modern way, which is called list. This is a divisor of 4. You see, this has 1, this has 2, this has 1, this has 3, this has 1, this has 2, this has 1, this has 4, this has 1, this has 2, this has 1, this has 2, 24 is equals to 8, 3, this has 1, this has 2. So we add them up. 7 plus 11 is 7 plus 3, 4, 8, plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3 is equals to 7 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 22, which 22 plus 3 is 25. So let's talk about this from C's perspective, which is 1, 1, 2. Like the number they actually include. 15 is 1. 16, it includes 2. So 21 is 1. 24, does this divisible by 9? No. 27 includes 3. 3 times 5, 9, 9, 9. Okay. So there is going to be 4. 4 plus 8. 13. 28. So this includes 6 and this includes 4, 5. So now we are going to check 38 plus 10. So there's going to be 48 ways. So let's now try 27. Whether 27 is working? So 27 will make this get omitted. And only this will be omitted. So after that, for the 48 integers, I suppose, minus 3 is going to be 45. So whereas 45 is going to be the final result. Yeah! So which means that in this problem, n is equals to 27 is the only choice. But since this problem is going to let us prove why n equals to 26, why n has only one solution, let's continue to talk about it. 26, they need to get away something, so which they must be less than the number. And after 25, 24, 23, they are going to take away more divisors. So which means that a plus b plus c plus d is going to be the smaller. So they will never reach 45 as n, the value of n gradually goes down. So therefore, a plus n equals 27 is the solution and the only solution of n. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!